I don't know what's happening. You lost. Okay, anyway, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're at Smalls back here in another video. And today we're playing Mr. O. Well, never mind. This game looks like it's supposed to be broken. Wait, I'm not gonna hit it. So what happens? Did you die? Yeah, that's not how this game. Okay. So, looks like... Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry, I had to pause the video because I think it's the servers. Yeah. Hold on, guys, we're right back. We're not going to be playing Mr. Cube. We're going to be playing Mr. Cube, so I'll see you guys in a second. Okay, and we're back. The servers just had to shut down for a second. But the game is working now. This guy's on fire. Oh, crap. No, wait. This guy got some super jump or something. Oh! Oh, this guy's on fire! Oh, disconnected. I didn't get disconnected. In the count watch game from different night. Oh! I'm still playing. I'm on the set. Oh, I'm going so far. It's a bomb. I'm right behind you. I died. I'm right behind a bomb. Whoa, boys, I died by the bomb. Guys, help me. Oh, yeah, we're breaking out. Boys, we're breaking out. Free escape. Thanks, bro. That's a tall bacon. Yeet. Oh, he got out. He skipped the cell. He died. Very end. Oh, great. Might as well die. This is freaking boring. This is boring. It's just gonna be AFK. You need to wait a few minutes. Now, the first guy is very... I want to play this game. Someone's gonna be AFK. That means no one's gonna beat me. See, that person died. Ugh. See, look, he died. Uh-oh. You should play... What? Hold on, guys. We're not going to be playing this game at all. You just said, let's just play Pop. And we are back, but we're not on Mr. Cube. We are on Assassin. We're on Assassin. You're a retard. Really? No. It's going on YouTube. Everyone's going to be like, oh, you're no, the mic was off. Was that free play mode? I think that's free play mode. Oh, what the heck is this crap? Wait, I know there's like power ups. You told Jake not to call you retarded. Oh, guys, my sister's calling me R-E-T. I don't know. Hippo. She's calling me a hippo now. Yeah, you're a hippo. Yeah, she's calling me a cricket. Like, are you deaf? She's calling me a hypocrite. That's what I did there. Yeah, hypocrite. You're a hippo and a cricket. Yeah, you are a hippo. And a cricket. And you're a cricket. You think you're so funny. I know I am, but what am I? What? I know I am, but what? You can't even do that. And you think that's a talent? You think that's going to get you anywhere in life? Maybe. Oh, yes, I'm going to melt. First person. I'm gonna follow you. Where is he? Oh! Whoa, is that a turkey? Oh, what? I got aimbotted. Screw this game. Just kidding, guys. Oh! Yeah, guys, I'm so bored. Oh! Good day. Sorry. 1, 2, 3. Where's the free play mode? Hold on. free play. It says that this is free play. I think I'm the only one in the free play. I'm not sure what this free play is all about, boys. Okay, so we're in free play mode, so there's like superpowers all over the map, but there is respawn. It's like superpowers all over the map. So I am pretty good at the game on PC, but wait, this is still assassin, so I still need to go for my target to. Why am I always being targeted by one or another? Oh wait, it's assassin. I'm going for the same guy. I'm getting some. Oh, why did this guy lag? Driving me nuts. How's he not see me? Oh, 2+ coins and XP too. Oh, what the heck is his shield, right? Oh, that's shield. How did I call it? Where's my target? Oh, wait. The frick is it?
Wait, is your camera on?
For face cam?
Yeah,
no. Yes, I didn't put it on for this video. Oh, dang it. This game is actually pretty fun, guys. It's like free play, so you guys get to find power-ups all around the iconic.
I'm gonna go back in there right now. Sorry.
What? What's in there? Oh, wrong player. Oh, I thought that was bacon. Oh gosh.
Love you, Mom.
No, I keep losing. I mean, it's not the right time. When you're not around. Ah! Oh, that's right. Got him. Turn it up. Ooh. You killed my 2-deck toe. I want to power up. You shall die. You shall pay for your sins. Oh, dang it. Oh, man, it's so scary. What the? Oh. Man, I have a... Power. You piece. I don't know what that does. Does it give like an extra life or... Oh, power. No, it's mine. Oh, I made myself up. I don't think it gets you fully invisible, but I'm a ghost. Where's my knife at? Oh, what the heck? That's a weird game mode. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today's video. I'm sorry I had to switch over from one game mode to another game mode, but anyway, I'm sorry for that. If you guys want to see more future Roblox videos, yeah, just comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.